Marhay na banggi sa ating mga minamahal na kasurog. Ito pa rin ang inyong paboritong Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Hatid sa atin ni Congressman Saldico at ang Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa. We welcome you all mga kasurog para sa ating venue ngayong gabi dito sa Goa Sports Palace para sa ating Friday double header matchups sa ating Bigaten quarterfinals. Siyempre partner, pasadahan na rin natin ang mga nangungunang team sa ating IKB Cup quarterfinal standings.
So, makikita natin partner, team standings. This is the updated team standings for Bracket A. Naga with 3 wins, 0 losses. Nabwa second place with 1 win and 1 loss. Sangay with 1 win and 2 losses. Lupi with 1 win and 2 losses. And Milaor with 0 wins and 2 losses. With Bracket B naman, we have Kamaligan leading with 2 wins and 0 losses. Iriga with 1 win and 0 loss. San Fernando, 1 all, 1 win and 1 loss. Goa with 0 wins and 1 loss. And last but not the least, we have our Del Gallego with 0 wins and 2 losses.
Ayun, thank you partner. At yun na nga ang ating team standings dito sa ating Bigaten quarterfinals. At para naman sa ating unang laro ngayong gabi, Tapatang Del Gallego kontra naman sa kupunan ng Kamaligan sa ating first game. Bago natin makalimutan partner, mapapakilala muna tayong dalawa sa ating mga manonood. Ako nga pala, si Coach Nuki Sabio, ang inyong play-by-play ngayong gabi. Makasama natin ang aking magiting na coach.
Ako naman si Coach Mark, ang inyong basketball analyst for this doubleheader.
Coach, so even though Team Del Gallego lost their 2 previous games, di ba? Pero they still managed to put on a show. Sa tingin mo, Coach, ano kayang adjustment pwedeng gawin ng Team Del Gallego dito versus the powerhouse Team Kamaligan?
Thank you for that question, Coach. Actually, I only have 2 things for Team Del Gallego. And first is the grit and grind play style. If we look at their stats, they shoot 58% from 2 points, and most of these 2-pointers are from fast breaks, and they sharing the ball with 11 assists per game, I think. And second, key to the game is sticking to their strength. Since they are comparatively smaller compared to Kamaligan, they need to play to their identity and run more, open the floor more, in order for them to get their shots and get most of their shots coming from 2-pointers.
Yes, Coach. Well, indeed right. So, yung mga taga-First District talaga, na-observe natin yung playmaking nila, even though they're smaller, but their familiarity to each other, they're well-known each other, grabe yung mga pasahan nila ng playmaking. Now, siyempre, Coach, bilog pa rin ang bola, di ba? And due to aggressive teams ulit na magtatapat para sa ngayong gabi. Pero bago ang lahat, magdako muna man tayo sa ating courtside reporter na si Miss Carmela sa kanyang interview sa dalawang coaches. Miss Carmela, pasok.
Ayan, thank you so much Coach Nuki and Coach Mark at magandang gabi mga kasurog, and this is Carmela Hernandez, your courtside reporter for tonight, and we're live here at Goa Covered Court for our 6th day dito sa ating quarterfinals, and we're about to begin our matchups for tonight. First game will be between Kamaligan and Del Gallego, and presently we have here with me the coaches of both teams. Unahin muna natin ang Team Kamaligan na si Coach Brian Ayos. So Coach, magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Good afternoon.
And so Coach, this is your 3rd game dito sa ating quarterfinals, and ang standing ng Kamaligan is already 2-0. So ngayon po Coach, para naman ma-maintain nyo ang standing nyo na undefeated dito sa ating quarterfinals, ano ba yung baon yung preparation for tonight?
Actually, we're all just playing our game every time. Respecting our opponents. Kaya all out palagi kahit sino ang kalaban namin. We give everything para ang momentum namin going to the next game makuha namin ulit.
Ayan Coach, by the way, we are live po. May gusto po ba kayong pasalamatan o i-shoutout? Go ahead.
Sa NCF Tigers family ko, Coach Momo, Coach Kyle, Coach Bai, and Sir Apple, Sir Mario, LGU Kamaligan headed by Mayor Janoy Bardolosa, and mga supporters namin from Kamaligan. Salamat sa mga family ko, sa Ayo family, sa Aike family na from nasa Legazpi, and sa girlfriend ko na nanonood ngayon, and sa mother ko na nasa Kuwait. Hello, ma.
Alright, maraming salamat po, Coach. At ngayon naman dito sa Team Del Gallego, we have Coach Ben Gayanilo. So, Coach, magandang gabi po kayo. Magandang gabi po. Kamusta po kayo?
Magandang gabi din. Okay naman. Kahit medyo malayo talaga yung pinanggalingan namin. First town from Quezon ang Del Gallego. So ilang oras kami nagbiyahe, almost 3 to 4 hours. Pasalamat kami sa Panginoong Diyos na ginabayaan kami na makarating kami sa lugar na ito.
Ayan, talaga namang mahaba yung biyahe niyo, Coach. So, Coach, ano naman po yung baon niyo for tonight or preparations and strategy para may panalo ang gabing ito?
Actually talagang aminado man kami na yung team namin ay talagang mismatch o kaya underdog. Pero ganun pa man, siguro ang talagang kailangan lang namin dito ay ipakita yung kanilang best na hindi natin alam na kung ano ang mangyayari na kung ano kahihinatnan ng laro. Pero ganun pa man, lubos kami nagpapasalamat lalo na sa Ako Bicol Party List na talagang maganda yung ibinigay ng mga experiences ng mga players namin simula't simula. Talagang pasalamat at karararangal namin na kami ay makarating dito sa quarterfinals na to. Ito ay biyaya din ng Panginoon na kami makarating dito sa lugar na to. Kasi alam namin na talagang lahat ng team ay magagaling at kami ay pumasok dito sa Bigat 10. Okay, thank you.
Ayan. So, Coach, by the way, we are live po sa ating social media platforms. May gusto rin po ba kayong shoutout? Go ahead.
Okay, shoutout po sa aming Mayor, Melanie Barrientos Garcia, na ang alam ko po ay darating sa dito. Kahit po sa layo ng lugar, talagang full support po talaga siya sa palaro na to. Kaya talagang sabi nga namin, talagang maswerte kami sa aming mayor na talagang yung suporta niya ay 100%. Shout out din sa aking pamilya na nanonood, sa lahat ng kababayan namin sa Del Gallego at sa lahat po na nanonood ng Ako Bicol Cup 2023. Magandang umaga, magandang hapon po at tunghayan po natin ang laro ngayong gabi.
That's it. Maraming salamat po, coaches, at good luck po ngayong gabi. Ayan, we already heard the coaches of both teams, kaya mga kasurog, stick around because we're about to start our first game. And you can also watch us Ako Bicol Party List page, Ako Bicol Online TV, at sa page ni Representative Zaldico, and also in our YouTube channel, Ako Bicol Cup. Kaya let's not take this any longer, mga kasurog. Take it away, Coach Nuki and Coach Mark.
Yun, maraming salamat sa ating courtside reporter na si Miss Carmela. Pag-usapan naman natin ang partner, ang ating kasurog match-up, the stats natin from their previous games. Coach Mark.
Thank you, partner. So, if you look at their previous game, on the side of Kamaligan, we have Mark Lester Santa Maria against San Fernando. His moniker, the Heart Stopper, partner, with an average of 27% from 2 points, 42%, whopping 42% sa 3-point, and 100% sa free throw. Assist 1 and rebounds 1.5, and average points per game is 16. Then we have on the side of Del Gallego, we have John Kenneth Glory, ang pinagpalang si John Kenneth Glory. And against Iriga, he averaged 75% partner, napakataas. 75%, kumbaga, kung sa card, pasado na to. 75% sa 2 points. Kaya lang, wala siyang 3 points.
Walang attempt.
Walang attempt sa 3 points. 50% in the free throw. 1.5 assist. 6 rebounds. And 14 points average per game. So, these two will definitely provide us this much firepower for this very exciting first game of our doubleheader.
I do agree, Coach. At para naman sa dalawang kupunan na magtatapat ngayong gabi with Team Del Gallego against Team Kamaligan, here are their stats in their previous game in our quarters.
So let's look at Team Del Gallego's team stats first. So they shoot around 58%, 2 points, which is a very decent number. 21% from 3 points, 61% from the free throw line. They provide 5.5 offensive rebounds, 19.5 defensive rebounds, 11.5 assists, 5 steals, and 9 turnovers. While on the side of Kamaligan, they average 52% from the 2 points, 37% from the 3 points, 53% free throw average, 17.5 offensive rebounds, 25.5 defensive rebounds, partner, 10 assists, 9.5 steals, and they average 14.5 turnovers. So tignan natin, partner, if the statistics would determine
Yes.
particular things in this game. At yun na nga yung stats nila.
Yun, partner, ang aabangan ko talaga dito, yung how the way the offensive rebounds goes for Team Kamaligan because of their length. Very obvious yan sa mga napapansin natin sa mga games nila during where cover of their games. Very aggressive sila sa rebound, lalo na sa offensive rebound. Tignan natin, coach, kung ganun pa rin ang mga dominate nila para sa ngayong gabi. At yun na nga, coach, yun na lang kanilang stats. Di na natin patatagalin ng ating bigaten quarterfinals. Ibato na natin sa ating arena announcer na si Coach Peter Barcelon.
This is your A40 on Waco People Club. Camarines Sur, brought to you by Congressman Saldico at Ako Bicol Party List, katabang na kasunod pa. We welcome you everyone inside the Goa Sports Palace for our doubleheader matchups in our Bigaten quarterfinals. For our first game, we will be having Team El Gallego versus Team Kamaligan. For our starters, let's start with Team El Gallego. At forward, number 4, Joel Legaspi. The other forward, number 5, Jolivel Hina. At center, number 6, Sherwin Moran. At guard, number 9, John Kenneth Glory. At the other guard, number 16, John Harlow Mira. Coach Ben Rayanilio. Let's head now for Team Kamaligan. At forward, number 37, Jexter Tolentino. At center, number 13, Samuel Ignacio. At guard, number 16, Marjon Barbe. The other forward, number 24, Kobe Brian Pableo. And the other guard, number 25, Papa Santa Maria. Head coach, Brian Ayo. Your officiating officials for this game, Crew Chief Ricky De Leon. Umpire 1, Bonano Chumacena. Umpire 2, Edgar Faraon. This is your Ako Bicol Cup, Camarines Sur, Ating Goal!
At muling nagbabalik ang inyong Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur, live na live dito sa Goa Sports Palace. Ako ang inyong makakasamang play-by-play analyst ngayon, si Coach Nuki Sabio. Kasama ko ang aking
Ang game analyst for the first game, this doubleheader, si Coach Mark.
ayun. So, Coach, bakbakang Gallego versus dito sa powerhouse Team Kamaligan.
Coach, and I think we're going to provide a very good game kasi Del Gallego, sabi nga, yung pinakaunang municipality after Quezon. So, di nila sasayangin yung biyahe nila for this game.
Siyempre naman, Coach. So, talaga naman, ang aga nilang pumunta dito just to prepare for this game. And, Santa Maria with the first 2 points dito sa game na to, na ang double header Friday natin sa beautiful town of Goa, Camarines Sur. And a steal there, successful by Tolentino. Outlet pass, intercepted by number 4 of Del Gallego, si Jomel Legaspi. Good ball stop yun, no, Coach?
Oh, coach. And if we can see, Kamaligan is opting to play zone for the initial defense this quarter.
Ayun na nga, steal, back-to-back steal. At si Kina ngayon nagmamadali. Crosses over against Barde. Jump shots. No good. Rebound by Barde. Outlet pass to Babap Santa Maria. Attempts for 3, no good. Rebound by Boral. Now to Legaspi. Sets the play. Shoot is no good.
Yan, medyo parang hinihintay lang natin, coach, na medyo slow start yung parehong team, but we can see Kamaligan with 4 points already. But definitely, nagpapainit pa lang to ng karburador yung dalawang teams natin ngayon.
Coach, talking about pagpapainit, pa konti-konti na, dumadami yung tao dito sa Goa Sports Palace. At siyempre, yung iba galing trabaho, yung iba galing school, dito na sila dumidiretso. Nakikita natin mamaya nito dahil may laro yung kanilang home team ay mapupuno na to. So dito muna tayo sa exciting first game na to between Team Del Gallego and Team Kamaligan.
Yes, coach, totoo yan.
Rebound by Tolentino. Barde to Mr. Basic Ignacio. Yun lang, nadulas lang.
Pulling the chair doon.
Yes,
Si Boral.
si Boral.
Veteran versus veteran yun.
Legaspi with a sorry miss. Kaya so lang may tulak doon, nahuli ng konti si Marjon Barde.
Nahuhuli.
Natawa na lang doon si Marjon Barde kasi kala niya, malinis.
Oo nga,
Yung
coach.
pala, huli pero di kulong, no, Coach?
Konting kiliti lang daw yun.
Yeah. Back to the ball game. Steal by Pableo. Kobe Bryant Pableo against Mira.
Sorry, miss.
Sorry,
Miss
miss
doon, coach.
Oo, coach.
Missing the bunny, which is very unlikely of Kobe Bryant Pableo being one of their highest averaging two-pointer
Yes.
sa team ng Kamaligan.
Ayun na nga.
Ayun na nga.
Pinakitaan na tayo, Coach.
Nakitaan tayo, coach. Oo. Joke lang daw yun.
Joke.
Para nagpapainit lang eh.
Init na. Easy lang daw, easy. Anyway, so Legaspi now. Steal by Tolentino sa middle. Gets by Marjon Barde. Nagmamadali. Drop pass to Babap Santa Maria. Second attempt for 3. Medyo binording pa. Rebound by Tolentino. Bab to Santa Maria. Muling susubok sa kanyang pangatlong try. Wala pa din. Girian sa ilalim. Nakuha ni Tolentino against Boral. Kuha ni Mr. Basic with a turnaround jumper.
And gets that lucky bounce, coach. As we can see, the length of Kamaligan is doing their damage and definitely is bothering the smaller lineup of Del Gallego. Kita nga natin,
Oo.
si Mr. Basic, Uncle Sam Ignacio,
Sam, yes.
doing his thing.
Grabe naman talaga si Uncle. Ayan na. Rebound ni Legaspi. Ginugulo siya ngayon dito ni Marjon Barde. Legaspi versus Barde. Nagkakabanggaan. Bitawan yung bola. Naagaw na naman ni Uncle Sam. Uy! Oh, she!
Crossover.
Crossover all the way! No good by Uncle Sam.
Crossover, nakatawid nakatawid sa ilog.
Grabe naman yun si Uncle Sam Ignacio with the sidestep. Beautiful shot by Kina.
So Kina with their first 2 points breaking the ice for Team Del Gallego. Tignan natin kung this would put the team back in their offensive rhythm.
Ayun, siniset nga ni Babap Santa Maria. Sabi niya, isa daw tao sa gitna. Ayun na naman si Uncle Sam. Bobomba sa ilalim. May kasama pang foul.
Uncle Sam picking apples as if there was
Yung binomba, coach. Isang bomba lang. Pasok yan. May kasama pang foul.
basic na basic.
Gasardinas lang talon, coach. Ayun, tignan mo, dumulas pa yan, oh.
And that 3-point play is brought to you by Misibis Bay. At kung nasa Misibis Bay ka,
Siyempre, di mo na siya mamimiss. Yes. Sa gandahan ng lugar. Baka naman. Shoutout po sa aming mga magigiting at nagwagwapuhang commissioner, si Boss Lloyd at ang kanyang kapatid. Siyempre, si Boss Ino.
hi po Boss Lloyd, Boss Ino.
Boss Ino, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Baka naman po. Back to the ball game. Bakbakan pa rin Team Del Gallego versus Team Kamaligan with Del Gallego with 0-2 standing in this quarterfinals while Kamaligan has
2-0.
2-0 naman. So, quarterfinals, Coach, until next week. Papunta na sa exciting part, no, Coach?
Yes, Coach. And syempre, kung hindi pa kayo nakatutok sa amin dito sa Ako Bicol, I invite everyone to not only watch physically sa mga courts for free, brought to you by Ako Bicol Party List and Congressman Saldico, but we also have our social media platforms. We have our Facebook page. Di ba no yung mga Facebook page natin, Coach?
Yes, Ako Bicol Cup TV, and we also have the TikTok. Siyempre, Ako Bicol TV pa din.
And meron din tayong YouTube Live.
Yan.
So kung real time. Siyempre
Yes.
provided by the best, if not the best, IMBC lang yan.
Yun. Headed by Director Chano
Oo.
Calleja.
Napakapogi nating direktor, si
Matik
Direk Chano.
yan. Alright, back to the ball game. Rebounded by Tolentino. Muntik na ma-intercept doon. Marjon Barde. Drop pass to Uncle Sam. With 2
Uncle
points.
Sam. Again, Coach. Again. Kulang na lang lagyan ng ID, Coach. Perfect recitation na to.
Yes. Basic na. Ba't papapahirapan ng basketball, di ba, Coach?
Oh, Coach. So, yun na nga, Coach. Di ba kung babalikan natin, tignan natin if there would be some adjustments on the side of Del Gallego. As I said, there are 2 keys to the game. First one is the grit and grind, and second is playing to their strength. So, yun na nga. With that 3 points brought to you by Hotel St. Ellis, tignan natin if the scoring prowess of this Del Gallego will show up anytime in this ball game now.
Yes. Santa Maria again for 3. No good. Rebounded by Mira. Outlet pass. Ngayon, dalawa sila. By Glory.
Ang pinagpala si John Kenneth
Pala.
Glory.
The Glory Road leads to the layup.
Coach.
Yun.
So narinig ata tayo na they need to stick to their strengths. And just like that, a fast break point for Team Del Gallego.
Uncle Sam mangangalabaw sa ilalim with a fade away. No good. Rebound by Marjon Barde. Maliit na mama. Pumutbak. Wala. Rebound ni Boral. Paikot. Ginugulo ng 3 tagamaligan. Andito na ngayon si Kina. Pass to Ligaspi. Aldi
Ay,
to
ganda
Glory.
play, sayang.
No good. Rebound by Kina. Fakes to Mira. At natira na nga ni Mira.
Yes, Coach. Yun na yung sinasabi ko kanina, Coach. If they opt to play fast and open the court early, they're going to find success. With that score, we have a 9-12. Kanina, 0 pa lang and malapit na.
Ayun na nga. Nakapasok naman doon sa 3 si Kobe Bryant Pableo. Ang isa sa kanilang mga ace player, Coach.
Oh, Coach. Wide open from the wing.
Basic shot doon from Boral. Assisted by Legaspi.
So, 4-point lead on the side of Kamaligan.
Ayan na si Kobe Bryant Pableo. Mangangalabaw sa ilalim. Lumabas, follow up pa din ni Pableo.
Grabe yung Coach. Nag-stat padding mission siya doon.
Grabe itong sipak
Minintis
talaga.
niya para itip in niya pa rin.
Legaspi now holding the ball. Guarded by Barde. Pass to Mira. To Mira ng 3. Si Mira pasok.
Mira.
Coach.
Mira nag-tres.
Mira ng 3 si Mira.
At that 3 points is brought to you by Hotel Venecia.
And Santa Maria still misfiring. Ayan na nga, nasab na siya ngayon dito.
I think Santa Maria is slowly warming up to our ball game now. Sabi ni Coach Brian, labas ka muna, pahinga ka muna. Baka
Nakakarami ka na.
nakakarami ka na.
4-man substitution dito sa Team Kamaligan. Ang natira lang si Kobe Bryant Pableo. Ayan na, rebound ni Pitch Alipante. Outlet pass to Kobe Bryant Pableo for 2.
Grabe tong Kobe Bryant Pableo na to,
Ang
Coach.
haba, no, Coach?
Ang haba, ilang strides lang.
Andun na.
Parang tumatakbo sa karera.
Eto na si Kina. Against Alipante. Nagawa siya. Alipante drop pass to Ayo. For 3. No good. Rebound by Alipante again. Pass to Pedro.
So Pragoso misses.
Pragoso, yes,
Pragoso
Pragoso.
misses that 2-pointer.
Ngayon to Legaspi. Bababa ng bola. Drop pass to Legaspi.
Nice cut. Yan lang.
So butat ang inabot doon kay Bimby Aquino will all go all the way. Yun nga kumapos. Naghihingi siya ng foul doon pero walang tawag. Ball still alive. Or ball still in play. Kina pass to Legaspi. Legaspi step sides. Sinukat pa, coach. Yun nga lang, kumapos. Rebound by Aquino.
Nasobran sa estimate, coach.
Yes.
Kulang sa dangaw daw.
Kaya na naman si Kobe Bryant Pableo. At may foul na itatawag doon ng ating referee.
And there's
Holding
a foul
foul
there.
on number 4 kay Jomel Legaspi.
So the current score now for this game, first quarter, is Del Gallego 14 and 19 for Kamaligan. Kamaligan extending that 5-point lead
Yes.
to 7 with that score from Pragoso.
Pragoso, another lengthy player from Team Kamaligan.
Ang
ito si
haba,
Pragoso.
coach.
At foul doon si Alipante against Jomel Legaspi.
Sa sobrang haba ng kamay ng mga players ng Kamaligan, coach, pwede na silang bumuo ng lambat dito. Talagang mahihirapan yung
May hit, yes.
team ng Del Gallego if they opt to play in a very slow pace, as I said.
Ayan na Legaspi to Mira. At foul doon si number 6, si Edelberto Pragoso. Kanyang first personal foul at first team foul pa lang, coach. Patapos na ang ating first team foul pa lang. Legaspi ngayon sumagasa sa ilalim. Wala pa din yung kaliwa niya. Rebound ni Bimbi Aquino. Pass to Pragoso. At turnover still by Mira.
Oh, telegraphed yun by Mira.
Mira to Kina. To Legaspi. Gandang ball movement to Glory Road.
Napakaganda.
4 passing, coach, bago
Oo.
tinira.
And
Lupit
that very beautiful team play is brought to you by Highlands Legaspi.
Ayun, kitang-kita mo na siya habang nandun ka. Ayan. Ang turnover ngayon si Bimbi Aquino, former NCF Tiger and UNC Greyhound. Ito ang ating si Lodi Cake. Raymart Aquino.
Ganda
Ayan
ng
ang iniwan na
crossover.
ni Legaspi. Dire-diretso sa kaliwa.
Yan
Bintis
lang.
yan. Rebound ni Kobe Bryant Pableo to pitch Alipante with the layup or 2.
Yan yung mga nakakasayang, coach, yung tinatawag nating $1 million move pero
Yes.
2-cent finish.
Sayang yun.
So nakikita natin na although Legaspi is one of their ace players for Del Gallego, we can see that Legaspi is having a very slow start this game.
Oo.
So as we can see, Del Gallego with 16 points and Kamaligan leading with 23 points.
So andun yung aggressiveness at the hustle nitong Team Del Gallego is just that they cannot made a basket there. May mga magandang pasahan pa nga sila. As we mentioned kanina, di ba, kung sa ating pre-game analysis dito, na yung teams from First District ay magagaling talaga pagdating sa kanilang ball movement, sharing the ball, even ng Team Lupi na nakalaban natin last night. Grabe yung mga ball movement nila and team chemistry.
Yes, coach. Tama yun. So, let's see. Pero surprisingly, coach, the score is not
That far.
from each other. So, 16-23. Even with the current lineup of Del Gallego, comparatively, mas maliliit yung Del Gallego against Kamaligan. So, tignan natin if they can up their pace and inch closer towards the score of Kamaligan.
Yes, so bakbakan na po tayo second quarter dito sa ating double header Friday with Team Del Gallego versus Kamaligan on our first game matchup for today. So puntahan naman natin ngayon yung mga ating top performer ng first quarter, Coach Mark.
Oo, so for Team Kamaligan, we have number 24, Pableo, with 9 points, 2 steals, and of course, our Uncle Sam, Mr. Basicness, Ignacio, with 8 points, 1 rebound, and 1 steal. On the side of Del Gallego, we have number 16, Mira, with 5 points, 2 rebounds, and that's all for our first quarter stats.
Grabe naman talaga, Coach, yung lating Lodi kick na si Uncle Sam Ignacio, di ba, Coach? Lamang na lamang pag pumasok na ng 40 up kasi basic na basic lang ang laruan, di ba, Coach?
Yes, Coach, talagang you can never go wrong when it comes to fundamentals.
Ay, yes naman. Kaya
Yan yung isa sa mga hindi din naiintindihan ng ng mga nanonood or yung mga current yung mga gustong maglaro ng basketball. Kala nila basketball is supposed to be flashy, but before they can do the complex moves, of course, kailangan mo munang i-master yung mga fundamentals. At ang pinapakita nga sa atin ni Uncle Sam, now you can never go wrong with fundamentals.
I super duper agree dyan, Coach. So sa mga nakikinig ngayon dito ng mga young coaches and also sa ating mga young players na nasanay tayo kung ano man siguro yung naituro sa atin, and most likely yung mga nakikita natin sa YouTube, tingnan muna natin yung how they do the process on it. Hindi pwedeng kung ano yung nakita natin, yun ang gagawin natin. But it must have be a process. And the process, the 90% of it, it's all the fundamentals that we can do. What are the fundamentals, coach, na sinasabi natin?
Mga basic dribble, box
Yes.
out, rebound,
Footwork, syempre.
footwork, syempre, ganun.
Ano yung kung gusto mo maging Stephen Curry someday, syempre, paano ba yung proper form at proper coordination ng paa at ng kamay bago mo bitawan? Diba, coach?
Yes, coach.
Yung
Ay,
mga
super.
fundamentals. Ayan na ngayon nakaagaw si Kina. Kina versus Ayo. Yun nga lang na disorient siya doon at na out of balance. Kuha ngayon ni Mira. Ginugulo pa ni Himan. Tatangin abot. Kaso nga lang may tawag na foul si referee Bunanong.
And that's a
dito.
foul on Aquino.
Yes, si Raymart Aquino doon na natawagan ng foul. Medyo kine-question niya pa kasi nga hindi niya nagustuhan yung tawag na foul sa kanya.
Yes, coach.
Sabi niya, bula rep.
Visibly, coach, yung work rate ng Del Gallego is increasing as compared to their work rate this first quarter.
Yes.
So I think yan yung ginagawa nilang countermeasure against the length and talent of Kamaligan.
Coach. So, ito naman, si Carlo Legaspi, I think the brother to ni Jomel Legaspi sa free throw natin, making 2 for 2. Ayan na si Sir Chip Barde. Himan ngayon. Uy,
Turnover, coach.
turnover.
Overzealous passing on the side of
Yes.
Kamaligan.
Hina ngayon.
Forces a turnover there.
Tinrap siya ni Ayo at ni Aquino doon. Bola babalik sa Del Gallego.
So Kamaligan is enjoying a 6-point lead as of the moment, coach.
Yes.
Tingnan natin kung makascore ba ang Del Gallego.
Ito na si Mira. Tumira na. Rebound ni Aquino. Pass to Himan. To Pragoso. Wawa Ayo for 3. No good.
Wala pa rin, coach.
Rebound by number 15 si Balanlayos.
May takip pa yung ring para kay Joshua Ayo. Isa sa mga best 3-pointers in the area.
Ulit. Rebound by Aquino. Aquino to Wawa Ayo. Outlet pass. Hesitates pero pumukol pa din sa tres.
And that transition 3-point play is brought to you by Mercedes Bay.
Yun na. John Carlo Mira bababa ang bola. Pass to Kina. At may foul na makukuha doon si Kina against Himan.
There's a foul.
Foul on number 45, Alexis Himan.
Si Alexis Himan.
First personal foul, third team foul.
First personal foul yung kay Alexis Himan at
Pasok na
third team
si
foul.
ayun, si Kevin Relucio. Kala ko si Pableo kasi pareho sila merong tattoo.
Oh.
Parang kambal.
Yes. At yung form nila, coach, matangkad lang ng konti si Pablo, pero yung physique nila halos pareho, di ba, coach?
I agree.
Pati yung rebound, coach, kuha-kuha. Yung yakap sa taas.
Exactly, coach. Parang kambal.
Yeah.
And again, another 3-point.
His specialty by Wawa Ayo. Ayan na si Mira, one-legged jump shot. Basic din yung coach.
And that sequence is brought to you by Hotel St. Ellis.
Wawa Ayo. To Lionel Bardi, the chief. Pass to Bimbi. Aquino for 3.
And Kamaligan is starting to get hot and raining trees in this very hot and humid climate.
Yeah, dito pa rin yan sa Goa Sports Complex. So yan ang highlights natin. Siyempre, brought to us by Highlands Hotel, Hotel St. Ellis, Hotel Venetia,
Siyempre, last but not the least, Mercedes Bay.
Mercedes Bay, yun ng mga ating magigiting na sponsors. And siyempre, itong ating mapakagandang paliga ay hatid sa atin ng napakapogi nating Lodi-Lodi talaga. Si Congressman Saldico, kasama ang Ako Bicol Cup party list. Back to the ball game tayo dito, coach, sa ating 6 minutes and 13 seconds sa ating second quarter of
So
this
with
ball
that
game.
short sequence, coach, Kamaligan is now leading by 13 points. Actually, 13. Kanina, single digits
Single,
pa lang.
yes. So,
Ngayon, 13 points na.
biglang bumulusok, coach, at nakaagaw pa nga doon si Lionel Barde. Barde will go all the way, kaso sorry, miss siya doon. Rebound by Glory. pass to Legaspi. Legaspi now to Mira.
Kamaligan now playing a man-to-man defense here, Coach.
Aha.
Tignan natin if there would be any changes.
Uy, nagpinoy step. May kasama pang foul at counted. Grabe ko sa mga Pinoy step talaga nitong mga players natin. Even kagabi, meron din tayo doon.
Grabe yung sidestep, Coach.
Sumakay pa, coach. Iba na ngayon. Dati yung dakdak, sasabihan ka sumakay. Ngayon, sumakay ka pa sa Pinoy step natin.
Uy,
yun, no?
napakaganda. And that 3-point play is brought to you by Hotel Vinesa.
Kumagat kasi doon si Raymart Aquino. Kaya siya nakuha na ng foul.
Napakagandang setup naman, Coach. Kasi nung ginawa doon. So, sidestep. Napakagandang sidestep.
Sidestep sa may ball fake, no, coach? Magaya nga next time.
Tingnan natin, Coach.
Ayan
Para
na,
sa mga
Lionel.
pick-up teams natin.
Yes, Lionel Barder. Rebound by Kevin Relucio with the left hand. Nothing but nylon. Aba, may pa-happy birthday pang ating arena announcer na si Peter Barcelon. Happy birthday sa'yo, Kevin Relucio, at sa iyong butihing asawa at yung dalawang anak na baby boy at incoming third baby.
Oh, and that 3-point attempt is brought to you by Highlands Legaspi.
Highlands Legaspi,
So, yan, tingnan natin. Let's go back to the ball game, Coach.
Ayun na si Raymart. Uy, beautiful naman na jab step with the side step.
Grabe, Coach.
Counted pa sana, coach. So, tinira pa ng patalikod.
Labanan ng sidestep ngayong gabi.
Grabe itong mga side step ngayon. Gusto nawawala ako. Nahihilo na nga ako sa kaka-side step. Kanina, Pinoy step. Ngayon naman, side step. Euro step naman yung coach, no? Euro step, side step.
Grabe, Coach. Talang mga
Baka
side...
mamaya niya, footstep. Joke lang. Anyway, foul doon nakuha para dito kay Lionel Barde. Inampas sa gilid bago mag-reverse layup.
Okay lang na mag-sidestep, Coach, pero huwag kang mag-sidepit.
Yan.
Diba,
Iba yan. Oh, diba?
Okay lang yung sidestep, pero huwag kang magsa-sidepit.
Ay, iba talaga, coach. Ito nakikita natin sa off-cam movement dito ni Kobe Bryant Pableo, encouraging his teammates, itong kanyang twin brother na si Kevin Relucio, na sabi niya,
Happy birthday sa'yo.
happy birthday sa'yo, brother Kevin Relucio. Sabi niya, doon tayo pare, diinan pa natin. Sabi ni itong si Kobe talaga naman, hindi niya tinitignan ang score.
Siguro, Coach, ang tawag sa kanya, bro. Bro, nadiinan pa natin yung depensa natin, bro.
Yan, yun nga. Kaso nga lang, nakakuha doon si Glory with a shot fake for 2.
Glory, again, with consistently providing second chance opportunity for Team Del Gallego.
Gandang kick out pass nun para to Kuwawa Ayo. Rebound pa din ni Kobe Bryant Pableo. Attempts for 3. Woo!
Grabe, Coach. Nagpapaulan na naman talaga.
Iba naman.
Nagpapaulan.
Iba
ang
yung
Team
quick
Kamaligan.
shot. Iba yung quick shot sa gilid ni Pableo, coach.
So Team Kamaligan brings their business early in this sports complex in Goa.
Tik ng mga agawan doon. Mira ngayon. Titira sa 3. Pasok yan for 3. Dito kay Giancarlo Mira.
So dalawang light at the end of the tunnel for Team Del Gallego. We have Mira and we have Glory.
Lumipad na coach si Kobe Bryant Pableo. Glory ngayon versus Pableo. Sinalaksak for 2.
Off foot pa yung Coach.
Grabe.
Attacking the middle, laying up on the right side, off foot. A very difficult shot from John.
Grabe na ang pinapakita mga beautiful shot nito ni
John Glory.
Uy, may mga
Grabe yung
no-look pass ni Wawa Ayo to Raymart Aquino.
no look pass.
Ayan na naman dito si Glory. Susubok muli. Tumira. To Legaspi. Pasok yan. Nagpapaulan na, coach. May payong ka ba dyan?
Naiwan natin.
United.
Naiwan natin yung payang natin.
Grabe na. Eto na, it's
Ayun
a
na.
shootout today's game. Ayan na si Raymart Aquino.
So talagang Kamaligan, although Del Gallego is trying to score their best, ganun din yung ginagawa ng Kamaligan. Tit for tat tayo sa scoring.
Sagutan dito ang nangyayari, coach. Paulanan ng 3 at mga beautiful layup. May makasama pang side step, Euro step, Pinoy step. Diba? Rebound doon ni Boral. Andito na ngayon si Mira. Mira, alley-oop to Glory for 2.
Glory again, Coach.
Nakakarami na, coach.
So
Talaga
nabubuhay
naman.
na, Coach. Nabubuhay na. Sa tingin ko, mainit na yung karburador nito.
Yes, coach. Tama-tama talaga ang ating players match up ngayon na si Babap Santa Maria at itong si Glory. Ayan na si Legaspi. Si Glory ulit, nasa unahan ni Legaspi. Humintos, panandalian sa 3, si Balalayos. Kaso mintis, rebound ni Kobe Bryant Pableo. 3 against 1. Pableo lumipad for 2, no good.
Grabe yung...
Grabe. At ang hingi siya ng foul doon, Legaspi ngayon to Mira. No good shot by Mira, rebound by Raymart Aquino. Raymart Aquino ngayon, all the way for 2.
So there was nothing Boral can do in that sequence, Coach.
Yes.
That was a 2-on-1 situation between Bimby Aquino, Pableo, and Boral.
Oo, so
Wala siyang magagawa
mahirap ka
doon.
na kung sino na pick the poison na lang
Oo,
mangyayari doon, di ba, Coach?
Oo.
Pick your own poison, sorry. At mayroon tayong substitution. Pumasok dito si Uncle Sam Ignacio at si super veteran Babap Santa Maria replacing Lionel Barde and Wawa Ayo.
Coach, napaka calm, cool, and collected ng aura nitong dalawa na to. Uncle Sam walking casually inside the court as if...
Basic na basic
Ako na
lang
ba?
yun.
Ako na ba yun? Ako na ba yung tinawag mo?
Kaya parang maglalakad lang mapunta ng SM na, Coach.
Yes, Coach. Kulang na lang. Naka-flip-flops tong taong ito.
Yes. Pero pag naglaro naman,
Yes, syempre.
papakitaan na naman tayo niyan, Coach. Mamaya ng kanyang mga basic moves. Ayan na si Pableo. I-discarding ngayon si Babap Santa Maria. Dahan-dahan lang daw tayo. Yeah. Santa Maria to Aquino. Pumuposte ngayon si Pableo. Kung kaso na lang, Coach, miscue.
Miscue on the side of Bimby and Kobe Bryant Pableo there.
Yes. Bola ngayon mananatilo. Mapupunta sa team del Gallego.
So, with that sequence, let's go to our courtside reporter muna. Carmela, take it away.
Magandang gabi muli mga kasurog, and right now patapos na ang ating first half, and at this moment Team Kamaligan is on the lead, and as we can see, these two teams are both hustling to make points, lalong-lalo na ang Team Del Gallego dahil kulang na kulang sila sa kanilang players ngayon. We can really see yung hirap at pagod nila in this game, but despite the disadvantages of this team, their determination, perseverance, and good sportsmanship really shines. Kanina nga nakausap ko ang kanilang coach na si Coach Ben, and according to him, itong bakbakan na laban sa Kamaligan ay hindi madali at talagang napalaban sila sa isa sa mga pinakamalakas na team. Pero lalaban pa rin daw sila at hindi mawawala ng pag-asa na makuha ang pagkapanalo ngayong gabi. Yan muna ang update dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo Coach Nuki and Coach Mark.
Thank you for that wonderful report, Carmela. And let's go back to the ball game with 22 seconds left for this second quarter.
And a short jumper in the free throw line by Glory was misfires there. Kobe Bryant Pableo fake pass na ba yung Andy Moral?
Grabe yung coach.
Nat-
Grabe.
At natuhod doon si Moral at yun, medyo alanganin kasi yung sabay doon, Coach. At hindi rin natin nakakalain na si Kobe Bryant Pableo ay lilay up pa yun kasi 3 against 2 with
Yes,
2
Coach.
flyers at the side.
Gustong talunan, coach. A jump over.
Yes.
Okay. Parang Coach, luksong baka. Gustong magluksong baka doon ni Kobe Bryant Pableo.
Oo.
Tatalunan si Boral.
Relax na relax din tong laro dito ni Kobe Bryant Pableo. Making his first attempt in his 2
I
shots.
think that's the second attempt, coach.
The second one.
Okay,
2
makes
for
2
2.
for 2.
Yes.
Or we have 11 seconds left here, coach.
At a turnover pa dito sa Del Gallego. Bola mapupunta pa dito sa Kamaligan for the last attempt in the second quarter.
Tingnan natin kung makakatira pa yung Kamaligan extending their 19-point lead.
At idinire-diretso na nga ni Kobe Bryant Pableo.
And with that shot, coach, the lead of Kamaligan has already ballooned to 21 points.
41-62.
Just like that, coach.
Yes.
Oo.
21 points lead dito by Team Kamaligan. Abangan natin kung ano ang magiging diskarte ng coaching staff dito ng Team Del Gallego, how they will recover and how will they answer against dito nga sa napaka-aggressive at lengthy, ibig sabihin matataas na players dito ng Team Kamaligan. Kami po ay magbabalik makalipas lamang ng isang sandali.
problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dako laang ng pagpapasalamat niya mo, dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List. Nagpapasalamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa mga sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Inat sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Muraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
At muli tayo nagbabalik dito sa napakagandang court ng Goa Sports Complex para sa ating tapatang Team Kamaligan versus Team Del Gallego. Dito pa rin sa ating bigaten quarterfinals ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Hatid sa atin syempre ni Congressman Saldico at ang Ako Bicol Party List. Kamaligan with a comfortable lead with 62-41 starting this third quarter. Still, kasama nyo pa rin si Coach Nuki Sabio at ang aking partner,
Coach Mark as ang inyong analyst for this game.
ayun na, Wawa Ayo with the one dribble pull up.
So Kamaligan coach, as if they never stopped playing, as if they never left the court, starting with that easy 2 from the perimeter.
Ayun o, biglang full court defense dito ang Team Kamaligan. Parang wala lang eh. No? Kanina coach, relax lang sila sa pasoro zone nila. Ngayon bigla nilang minantoman. At cross court pass to Pragoso from Babab Santa Maria.
Laking mama nung coach.
Oh, coach.
So parang blinitz ng Kamaligan ngayon ang Del Gallego, forcing them to turn the ball over and making easy 2 points.
Oh, yun at kahit ano pang depensa daw, sabi ni si Carlo Legaspi, nakabuslo pa rin ang kanyang 2 puntos at nakaagaw pa ngayon si Kina. Okay na para kay Kina. Back to back yun.
So, yung 4-point swing ng Kamaligan doon, coach, binawi ka agad ng Team Del Gallego. Sabi nila, we're here to stay and we're here to play.
Yes, at naman si Pragoso. Ang tawag ng ating referee ay traveling.
Traveling there on Pragoso.
And yung traveling na yun ay shoutout ko lang ang aming kaibigan at coaching staff na si Coach Gab De Vera. Gab De Vera, magandang gabi sa iyo. Congratulations pala sa mga papi mo na nanganak.
Oo.
Nakarang araw. Sana maging mabuti kang for parent.
Oo. For parent lang ha.
For parent lang, yes.
Di parent.
Alright. So, back to the ball game. Legaspi ngayon. Susubukan si Aquino. Jump shot. Mintis rebound ni Pragoso. Outlet pass to Aquino. Now to Babab Santa Maria. Shot fake. And may kasama pang foul doon, coach. Parang hindi napapago dito si super veteran Babab Santa Maria.
Yes, coach. And the way Santa Maria controls the pace of the game is extraordinary, coach.
Sobrang kalmado.
Shoulder fake lang yung coach ha.
Yes.
Tingin lang at shoulder fake, tumalon yung bantay. Ganun sa kaka-relax.
Yes, doon mo makikita yung mga veterano na sa mga pro league at ang mga semi-pro league itong si Babab Santa Maria. I think he signed a contract in the Mindoro team in the
MPBL, yes, Coach Mindoro.
Yes, so tingnan natin how will the story develop here while this this league is ongoing. Pero syempre naman, alam natin, lalaro yan pa sa Team Kamaligan. Pragoso with a beautiful rebound and a putback for 2. Para dito kay Edelberto Pragoso.
Again, carbon footprints ng length ng Kamaligan. Talagang doing its damage. Height is might in this game.
Yes. Legaspi ngayon, panandaling umikot at titigil muna pasa sa kanyang kapatid si Carlo Legaspi.
Legaspi to Legaspi connection.
Yes. Jomel at Carlo Legaspi yan. Jomel Legaspi ngayon sa ilalim, pipilitin against Pragoso. Butatang inabot. Kuha pa ni Pragoso. Alexis
Napakahaba
Siman.
ng coach, napakahaba ng kamay ng Pragoso. Talagang hindi na tumalon.
Yes, Alexis Siman with a beautiful drop pass to Raymar Aquino. Missing the shot. Carlo Legaspi ngayon. To Jomel Legaspi. Alley-oop! To Glory, nagkaagawan doon. Saka si Pragoso, walang tawag. Pragoso with a short stop, no good. Follow up by Glory.
Grabe yung coach, ang pinagpala, lumipad na naman.
Si Kina pala, yung lumipad na bigla sa gilid.
Grabe coach. Hang time.
Hang time naman
sana, nagkaganyan din tayong talon. Nasa PBA na sana tayo ngayon.
Oo nga eh. Half time na lang kasi tayo eh.
Half time coach, food court na lang.
Babab Santa Maria finally nabutas rin ang kanyang 3 points, coach. Kanina pa siya nag-a-attempt doon sa kabila pa lang na court.
And that 3 points is brought to you by Miss CB Spain.
Ayun. Carlo Legaspi with a floater. At labas yun, mapupunta pa rin sa Del Gallego. Shoutout pala sa aking alumni basketball batch 2000 and 2001 sa University of Nueva Cáceres. Especially kay Jepoy Texon, Jeffrey Decena, At siyempre ang nasa Kuwait na nagsosuporta pa rin sa ating Ako Bicol. At aking kumpare, Eric Damasco na nanonood ngayon from Kuwait. Live from Kuwait yun, Coach. Matindi.
International.
International.
Iba talaga tong Ako Bicol Cup.
Oo, former na naman, Coach. Former varsitarian ng Colegio de Santa Isabel. Itong aking kaibigan na si Eric Damasco. Ayan na. Kuha ni Mira. At nakayakino pa rin ang kanyang pagkairat. Nagingi pa ng foul. Wala yan. Glory ngayon. Versus 2 Kamaligan players. Hinay-hinay muna daw. Kaso nga lang ginugulo siya doon ni Himan. Susubok na dito si Kina. Kina pa rin. Andito na kay Glory. At times for 3.
And that's a 3 points. Brought to you by Hotel St. Ellis.
Yun, kinaliwa na ngayon ni Alexis Himan. At medyo napatulog doon yung Del Gallego. Buelong-buelo sa fast break si Alexis Himan.
If Del Gallego wishes to cut this lead, they need to do a better job in their transition defense, Coach.
Yes.
Nakaka-score sila pero binabawi rin kaagad ng Kamaligan.
Oo, so hindi okay yung nila, Coach, yung hustle nila sa kanilang full court, pero minsan hindi naging successful because of recovery defense.
Exactly, Coach. Hindi naman pwedeng game of offense lang itong larong ito ngayon.
Yes, ito na si John Kenneth Glory, sumubok ulit sa 3. Mira for 2, no good. Rebound by Pragoso. Now to Wawa Ayo. Wawa Ayo, the sharpshooter, misfires. Rebound by Pragoso. Aquino to Pragoso, fouled by Mira. And Pragoso will shoot 2 for the free throw line. Unti-unti na, Coach.
Unti-unti na talaga, Coach. Inuunti-unti ng Team Kamaligan yung Team Del Gallego as they opt to play porous defense, full court defense, and on the half court, they know where to pass the ball. And syempre, because they have a more length from their big man and some of their wing players, they opt to pass the ball to their bigger players.
Yes,
binabasag yung loob ng Kamaligan.
Back to the ball game.
So balik tayo sa ball game na to at unti-unti nang napupuno ang ating Goa Sports Complex ng ating mga magigiting at mga loyal fans ito ng Team Goa, malamang. Pero syempre, may mga dalal din na fans itong Team Del Gallego, lalo na itong Team Kamaligan, sorry. Ayan na, puno na, Coach. At lalo na siguro mamaya sa ating second game. Pakpakang Goa versus Iriga.
Yes,
napakagandang game.
The home team versus Team Iriga.
Powerhouse and all-time champion sa ating Intertown dito sa Camarines Sur, ang Team Iriga.
Kumbaga, pwede nating tawagin na Titan.
Yes.
Titan of basketball here.
Yes, siyempre, ang talking about Iriga, nais kong shout out ang kanilang point guard na si Papi Humbert Hermoso.
Oo. Ay sa'yo, Papi.
Ay sa'yo, Papi. Good luck later. Siyempre, lahat ng mga players doon at ng both teams. Lalo na din sa Team Goa kay Consi Pan. Ayan na. Boral doon with short sa kanyang floater shot. Alexis Himan din rapas pa dito kay Pragoso. Sasalpakin na sana, Coach.
Sayang, Coach.
Grabe naman yun.
Kaso sabi ni Boral, not on my watch.
Not on,
at the cost of one personal foul.
Kita na natin, Coach, with the bad intentions doon. Si Pragoso.
Gustong wasakin yung ring doon.
Dadalawang kami. Parang ano lang, kasi patamlay-tamlay lang. Pero pag lilipad na, talagang babasagin yung ano eh.
Party popper, showstopper yung isa doon.
Yes. At kalmado pa rin sa kanyang unang free throw. Itong si Pragoso. Edelberto. At papalitan si Edelberto na mas mataas pa sa kanya. At siyempre si Dexter Tolentino.
Still there, Kamaligan.
Yes, si Alipante yung si Pitch Alipante. Simpleng-simple, one-on-one inistilan.
Grabe, Coach, even kill yung ginagawa dito ng Kamaligan.
Yes. Holding foul doon kay Babab Santa Maria.
So everyone that enters the ball game here from the side of Kamaligan seems to score because of their excellent on-ball defense.
Yes. At Alexis Himan nga ngayon versus Legaspi. Dinobling na nga doon. Munti ka na naman, coach, makaagaw doon. Si Peach Alipante at si Alexis Himan sa kanilang double team sa napakadelikadong trapping area.
That was almost an 8-second call. Coach, kung titignan natin yung shot clock.
Pinaka-deadly kasi kapag nagpo-full court defense, yung dadaan kayo sa gilid. So as much as possible, young coaches and players, idaan nyo sa gitna yung bola. Para marami kayong options, left and right, middle, pati back kung gusto nyo. Huwag lang yung backing violation.
Yan lang.
Babap Santa Maria ngayon didiskarte. Bahagya munang tinigil ang kanyang hesitates. Uy, ang bilis naman ng Glory ng Kina talaga. Kaso, ay babap pa rin yung bola with 10 seconds remaining and the shot clock still by Glory. Glory ngayon nagmamadali. Na-stop ni Alexis Himan. Boral ngayon. Umikot. Uy, traveling ang natawag ng ating referee dito kay Boral. Sherwin Boral.
Traveling there, coach. So, ayun na nga. Kamaligan playing their half-court set here. So, Babap looking for their big man here, Tolentino with the ball.
Yan, nagkakaagawan na ng bola sa ilalim. Nakuha ni Peach Alipante with a reverse shot.
Oo, dukot shot. Isa din yan sa mga specialty talaga ni Peach Alipante.
So, saka yung coach, yung mga quick layup niya, kahit mataas ka, dinadaanin ka sa kilikili shot.
Yes, coach. Mga trademark shot din ni Peach Alipante.
Oo. Ayan na naman, si Kina. Sinubukan si Pableo at nakakuha ng foul.
Kina, kinaldag si Pableo.
Yun na nga, iba tong bata na to. Palag kung palag, coach.
Walang takot to, coach.
Oo. Tingnan mo yung bantay naman sa kanya, taas-taas, tapos sinubukan niya pa rin sinubukan. Kinaldag na kinaldag.
And because of his perseverance, he is now rewarded with 2 free throws from the line. So makes the first one. Kina makes the first one there. Tingnan natin if Kina goes 2 for 2 in this sequence. And he does.
Ayun. So, at 2 for 2 is shout out ko muna ang aking dalawang kaibigan. Nakalimutan ko kanina. Si Jun Severo at si Little Monasterial. Shout out sa inyo. Salamat sa pagsuporta ng ating Ako Bicol Cup. At patuloy pa rin kayo. Stay tuned pa rin kayo at inyong mga kaibigan at pamilya. Dito, dire-diretso na tayo, June at Little sa second game. Goa at versus siyempre Iriga. Pero siyempre, ito ngayon, titignan natin kung makakahabol ang Team Del Gallego, di ba, Coach?
Yes, Coach. Tignan natin if they're going to make a run to inch closer to the score of Kamaligan. Yes. Pero ito na nga, tumatakbo na naman sila.
Nice shot fake pa doon si Alexis Himan.
Grabe yung Coach.
Iba! Pineki sa taas, umispin mo palabas. Ibang inverted spin move, Coach, ang ginawa.
Yes, Coach. And that whirlwind, the sequence is brought to you by Hotel Venecia.
At nag-hassle pa siya ngayon. Kalaban nitong si Jumel Legaspi. Legaspi versus Himan. Uy, outlet pass. Kaso nga lang, napas na naagawan doon ni Kobe Bryant Pableo. Pableo takes off against Boral.
Kala ko, chitadakdak ko.
Oo. Yung talo ng mga ganun ko, nakakatakot. Yung 2-foot
2-foot jumps.
Yun eh. Parang i-islama-jama na eh.
And we back in the sequence here, Kina.
For
Grabe yung Coach. Napaka-unorthodox ng jump shot nitong Kina. Di mo alam kung anong gagamitin pa, left or right.
Pinapansin ko, Coach, mahilig siya doon sa in and out. Tapos step side, pag kumagat ka, kakalaging ka, in and out ulit.
Parang kakaiba yung Coach. Parang frag shot.
Yes, so 8 seconds shot clock remaining and pasok yan para kay Kobe Bryant Pableo 3.
And that 3 points from the corner is brought to you by Highlands Legaspi.
Ayun, 10 seconds na lang ang lalalabi dito sa ating third quarter ng ating first game. Double-header matchup ngayong Friday and
3 points! Kaboom! On the side by Mira.
Malayo pa yun, Coach. Ay, munsik.
Sayang yun. Muntik pa. Muntik pa.
Muntik pa. Babap Santa Maria at the end of ating third quarter. 94 Kamaligan with a comfortable lead with 58 only for Del Gallego dito sa ating first game. na bakbakan Kamaligan versus Del Gallego dito pa rin sa Goa Sports Complex.
Oh, and take note, Coach, ha? This is just the first game of the exciting double-header
Yes.
na hindi nagkukulang sa firepower. So kung ako sa inyo, malapit kayo sa area, pumunta na kayo dito sa Goa Sports Complex. Or if not, we have our social media platforms in Facebook and we have a YouTube Live and of course, yung TikTok natin, Coach.
Ayun. So this game highlights is brought to us by Mississippi Bay, Hotel Highlands, Hotel St. Ellis, and Hotel Venezia.
Yes, Coach. So yan, tingnan muna natin yung mga highlights of the game. And definitely, Coach, going to the fourth and last quarter, sa tingin mo, would there be any chance at all na makahabol pa ang Team Del Gallego with Kamaligan with this large margin against them?
Possible, Coach. Anytime ang game naman, kahit 30 pa yan sa fourth quarter, pwede pa yan mahabol or at least 20. Depende na lang talaga sa inyong fighting spirit and the way you approach the game, yung body language, hindi ka sumusuko, at syempre, yung kusong palaban.
Oh, and while we're starting with this ball game, shoutout muna natin or acknowledge ang presence.
Batiin, yes.
Si Mayor Melanie Garcia and the Vice Mayor Florence Bargo of Del Gallego. So, hi po sa inyo, ma'am, and thank you for being here,
Yes.
supporting Ako Bicol Cup.
Happy viewing po. Salamat po sa malayo yung pagbiyahe. Alam ko po na traffic kayo katulad namin papunta dito kasi grabe yung daan dyan sa may diversion na daan po ng Pili. Pero pumunta pa rin po kayo dito kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo mga madam sa pagpunta po dito. Na-appreciate po namin yung support nyo kahit malayo talaga. Del Gallego, sipin mo yun, Coach, first town doon sa ating pagpasok dito sa Camarines Sur. At yun na nga, puntahan natin ang ating top performers noong third quarter natin.
Oo, Coach. And, kagaya ng first half natin, we still have Pableo with 25 whopping points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist, and 4 steals. Ayo with 11 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists, and 1 steal. On the side of Del Gallego, we have John Kenneth Glory, ang pinagpala with 19 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 steal.
Ayun naman talaga. So tingnan natin, Coach, andito na naman ang ating favorite player na si Uncle Sam, Mr. Fundamentals Ignacio.
Yes, Coach. Uncle Sam with the foul.
Kaso nga na, pinakitaan tayo doon ng veteran foul, Coach. Hindi ko na mahabol to. Papauling ko na para hindi makadrive.
Nabunggo ng bumper, Coach. Yes. Nabunggo ng bumper ni Uncle Sam.
Basic foul lang doon. Pati sa foul, Coach, basic pa din itong loading kicks natin eh. Ayan na nga si Tolentino. Pass to Marjon Barde with a one dribble of 2 points para kay dito Marjon Barde. Johnny Dalquina, ginugulo dito ni Marjon Barde. Behind the back, munti ka na. Barde Brothers ang tumarap sa kanya doon. At ito na, cool and calm dito si Legaspi. Kaso nga lang, bitin yung kanyang tira. Agaw na ngayon dito ni Lionel Barde. Transition play. Uy, between the legs. Kaso nga lang, walang natawag doon ng foul sa attempt ni Tolentino. Bola mapapunta pa rin dito sa Team Del Gallego.
Visible frustration there on Tolentino. He is not in favor of that non-call there.
Yes.
So sabi niya, bakit walang foul rep? Pero syempre, iba naman yung nakikita ng ating mga referee doon.
Yes, that's their judgment.
Yes, and ganun nga, pinawi niya. Sabi niya, in this sequence, I'm going to get the 2.
Yes, Johnny Dalquina pass to Sharon Burral. To Jomel Legaspi against Lionel Barde. Screen by Burral. Step side dito si Jomel Legaspi. Mintis yan, leap out ni Tolentino. Pass to Barde. Nagmamadali, pasa ka sa kanyang kapatid na si Sir Lionel Barde. Kaso nga lang, over. Yung pasa, over din yung landing ni Lionel sa labas siya napunta.
So, di na-complete yung brotherly sequence doon, Coach, by the Barde Brothers. Barde Bros.
Barde Bros. So, Kamaligan now with, siyempre dito si Mr. Birthday Boy, Kevin Relucio, former UNC Greyhound. At ang kanyang buddy na point guard din si Marjon Barde, former UNC Greyhound din. At siyempre si Lionel Barde, a former Tiger. NCF Tigers. Out of bounds dito. Ang ganda ng panggugulo doon na ginawa ni Marjon Barde. Kaya nag-turnover doon si Johnny Dalquina.
And Marjon Barde, Coach, talaga is known for his pesky defense.
Yes. Tolentino with a putback again.
Grabe, coach.
Parang lagi stats padding na lang dito, coach.
Coach. Parang,
Tolentino eh.
parang birthday party, coach, yung parang binababa mo yung mga
Yes.
mga prizes. Parang ganun lang yung ginagawa nila sa bola eh.
Si Jexter Tolentino.
I think one thing, if there is one thing that Del Gallego needs to do in order to inch closer to the score, if they want to inch closer to the score,
Yes.
is to box out properly. Kasi parang pinupulot lang ng mga big man, ng mga puno ng Kamaligan yung bola off the second chance points.
Ayan, well said, coach. So yun na nga, halos yun ang sinabi ko kanina, coach, about the body language, about the grit and grind, and also lalo na sa pusong palaban na sinabi ko sa Pinoy, dapat you cannot quit kahit ano pa yung hindi nyo titignan yung lamang, hindi nyo titignan yung adversity, hindi nyo titignan yung kung talagang palaban, lalaban pa rin ang lalaban, di ba?
I totally agree there. Kasi nga, may kasabihan tayo, bilog ang bola.
Parang ito lang, coach, itong si Jumel Legaspi, he's not stopping and still doing his thing versus dito sa extremely loaded lineup ng Team Kamaligan.
There's a hand check foul there on Kevin, the birthday boy.
Personal foul. Second team foul.
At isa pang shoutout pala sa aking kaibigan na nagsusubaybay din live from siyempre sa Middle East na to, si Dubai, si M. Pedroyol. Shoutout sa iyo, brother. Salamat sa iyong pagsuporta dito sa AKB. Nawaya isama mo ang iyong mga friends dyan sa iyong katrabaho sa Dubai na nanonood sa live stream namin. I-like nyo na din ang aming YouTube at ang aming TikTok at ako Bicol Cup TV. Siyempre, itong Facebook namin hindi wag niyong nakalimutan at ngayon dito na nga kayo nanonood. Shout out sa inyo at sa iyong mga kasama dyan. Salamat sa suporta. Back to the ball game. Jomel Legaspi with a fake and the left layup, bitin lamang yan.
Wala
Rebound.
pa rin, coach, talaga. Kanina pa siya maalat sa mga layup attempts niya. Nakikita mo nga, coach, yun po. Ayan na.
With the no-jumper layup.
Coach, grabe yung coach. Parang naglakad lang.
Yes.
Si Uncle Sam.
Uncle Sam naman talaga. No-jumper layup. Pakakita ko na naman ng coach.
Mga basic layup.
Yes. Andito si John Kenneth Glory. Ito si Legaspi Brothers. Shot fake against Uncle Sam. Butata ang inabot. Marjon Barde with a simple steal. Jexter Tolentino.
Kaya ko, coach. Dadunk na yun.
Oo, binit-bit eh. At nabababa ng bola ngayon si Carlo Legaspi dito sa Team Del Gallego. So, John Kenneth Glory for 3. Bitin. Rebound ni Tolentino. Outlet pass to the birthday boy, Kevin Relucio.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Kevin Relucio.
Ayan.
So, it's still 4 minutes and 44 seconds left here, coach. And the margin of score has not yet went down for the side of Del Gallego.
Yes.
Is it safe to say ba, coach? Is it safe to say?
Pwede, coach. Pwedeng is it safe to say that I cannot say that this is decided, but at least Team Del Gallego can do is lessen the lead. And Mr. Basic Leon
Grabe, coach.
doing his thing.
Foul on number 7, Carlo Legaspi.
Foul doon si number 7, si Carlo Legaspi.
And that basic putback is brought to you by BCB Spain. Uncle Sam.
Uncle Sam on the free throw ko to complete his 3-point play. Tingnan natin ang kanyang jump, ang free throw shot, coach. Tingnan natin.
Tingnan natin kung makukumpleto ng ating Uncle Sam
Yan.
ang kanyang free throw.
Ganda.
Ayun na nga.
Samuel Ignacio.
Napaka-basic, coach.
Yes. Patawa-tawa lang yan si Uncle Sam.
Parang hindi nabasa yung jersey niya, coach. Tinitignan mo eh.
Mira ngayon, muling titira. Pasok na naman yan. Back-to-back 3.
Mira.
Para kay Giancarlo Mira. Malay natin, coach, may miracle.
Oo.
Galing
Tama,
dito
coach.
kay Mira, di ba?
And that shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Elmo's.
Ayun. Humingi ng ball screen dito si Marjon Bardes. Sumiselyo na si Uncle Sam doon sa gitna. Yun na nga, siya pa rin na nabigyan.
Uncle Sam again with that undefended shot.
3 possessions, kanyang ang score lahat kay Uncle Sam.
Oh, coach. Talagang specializing in moving without the ball and hanging or placing himself in positions where he is going to succeed offensively.
Yes, Kevin, the birthday boy. Lucio with the hand time. Now, good follow-up. Uncle Sam again with the basicness. 2
Uncle
points.
Sam, sinaldag. Grabe yung coach. Grabe talaga ang Uncle Sam na to.
Uncle Sam.
Parang naglalaro lang sa hoop eh. Kinukuha yung bola, ibabalik sa ring.
Yan. Huwag nang pahirapan. Dire-diretso mo lang, sabi ni Uncle Sam.
Grabe to coach. Parang malapit ito sa 40 up. And habang ini-inbound ang ating bola, punta muna tayo sa ating napakagandang courtside reporter na si Carmela. Carmela, take it away.
Nasa fourth quarter na nga tayo mga kasurog ng ating first game ngayong gabi, and Team Camaligan is still on the lead at talagang may kalamangan na ang Camaligan laban sa Del Gallego. And according to them, they really had a great start dito sa laro kaya mas nakuha nila yung tamang strategy and ball transition. Dagdag pa ng Camaligan na naipanalo nila ang kanilang first 2 games kaya mas napag-aralan nila ang kanilang mga errors at inaayos na in every game. Kaya up until this moment, mas naging aggressive sila to win tonight. That's the latest update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Miss Carmela, for that wonderful report. Balik tayo sa live action. Marjun Barde goes all the way for 2. Simple lang, hindi na kinontext doon ng Del Gallego. Mira ngayon against Fragoso. Iistilan sana, wala yan. Mira 2. Number 15, Balalayos. Kaso,
Bitin, coach. So,
bitin.
bothered by the length of Camaligan there.
At milking the clock na dito ang Team Camaligan. Sabi na, let's take it slow. So slow. Yan,
So, I think, Coach, it's safe to say at this
Yeah,
point,
at this point.
ngayon talaga.
Unless ipasok natin ko si Pitong at si Labing Isa.
Pitong
3 points. Kasama. Papasa kay Labing Isa, 3 points. 33 points kagad yan, Coach. Di ba?
Parang 7-11 lang, Coach.
Yes. Yung Labing Isa, seryoso yun. Mayroon player dati ang NU Bulldogs sa College UAP na Labing Isa ang apelyido.
Walang one word, Coach. Labing
Yes,
Isa.
Labing Isa. Legit na legit. I-search nyo lang sa Google. Ayan na nga si Glory with the Glory boarding shot for 3.
Ang pinagpala talaga.
Talaga naman, Coach.
Calls the bank for this game.
Ayan na, Marjun Barde, sabi niya, dahan-dahan na lang natin. At haras pa siya dito ni Kina.
1 minute, 30 seconds remaining here. Ball screen up top. Marjun Barde with that delivery kaya lang namintis yung undefended layup ni Peach.
Peach Alipante. Nag-top board kasi siya, Coach. Siguro na ilang siya doon.
Pwedeng isali to sa top board competition.
Yes,
Meron ba, Coach?
Yeah. Pwede. At yan na nga. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining here sa ating first game ng ating doubleheader Friday. I-discard pa rin dito ni Marjun Barde. Inside pass to Peach. Alipante with a fake and 2. Pasok niya.
I think
Dito kay Melchor Alipante.
Del Gallego has already waved the white flag as their players are not defending the goal anymore. Pero yung Camaligan, ayaw pa rin.
Diretso pa. Ayaw pa magpaawat.
Desert Storm surging to the rim. Fragoso.
Edelberto Fragoso pa with that reverse layup.
That reverse layup is brought to you by Hotel Finish.
Yun na. Sakto-sakto yung pag-rebound doon ni Johnny Dalquina. Ayan na. At sabi ni the veteran, Uncle Sam.
18 seconds. I think they're just going to run the clock down. And with that, Camaligan wins convincingly against Del Gallego, remaining unbeaten, untouched, and unbroken. Grabe talaga, Coach. Itong Team Camaligan na to.
I think with a 125, whopping 125-72 score dito sa ating final result ng game. Winning emphatically itong Team Camaligan against Team Del Gallego.
Yes, Coach.
What are your keys to the game or thoughts to the game, Coach? Camaligan winning this by big margin.
Coach, Camaligan is let's remind ourselves that Camaligan is a veteran team. And what is expected of a veteran team is to, secure defensive possessions and execute properly on their offensive possession. They're not doing anything special.
Yes.
What's special is how the team plays as a team. So, kung ano yung ginawa ng Kamaligan when the league started, ganun pa rin. Consistent yung ginagawa nila. And again, yung sinabi ko kanina on the side of Del Gallego, there were 2 keys for the game para sa akin. And they were unable to capitalize or utilize their advantage, which is, of course, their percentage in the 2 points. Siyempre, sa sobrang tangkad ng mga players and napaka-good defensive mentality ng mga players ng Kamaligan, they found it hard to actually score in the paint. So yung 57% na kalamangan nila in the 2-point area, including the fast break, was actually stumped by the defense of Kamaligan.
Ayun na nga ako. So legit na legit pa rin yung mga rebounding department nitong team Kamaligan sa ating game na yon. Buong game, I can say that they have controlled the rebounding department para dito sa team Kamaligan, showing and enforcing what they have, which is the length and size, versus dito sa medyo yun na nga, mga maliliit lang na player nitong Team Del Gallego. Pero syempre, alam natin yan, magka-comeback, return of the comeback yan, Team Del Gallego.
Yes,
syempre, magpa-participate sa mga upcoming Bicol Cup pa rin sa mga susunod na taon. Mag-upgrade yan. Syempre, experience will always be our best teacher. And laka naman yung hindi tayo mag-upgrade ng lineup sa mga susunod na bakbakan dito sa Akubic. Napakagandang liga ng Bicol Cup. Atid sa atin syempre ni Congressman Saldico, Bicol Cup Party List, syempre katabang na kasurog pa. At ang ating mga coach, mga magigiting na sponsors.
Syempre, yung Seabees Bay, Highlands Legazpi, Hotel St. Ellis, and last but not the least,
Hotel Venetia. Yan, Experience Europe style of hotel. Nandyan lang sa Albay ngayon. At sa Albay pala, sa mga ating mga friends and ito mga production crew natin na may yung families nila. Stay safe po dyan sa Albay at medyo nagpapakitang gilas na naman ang ating mahal na Mount Mayon sa kanyang alboroto. So,
parang nag-makeup coach, may lipstick lang.
Yes, every 5 years ang pagpapakitang gilas ng ating Mount Mayon. So, stay safe po sa inyo dyan. As much as possible po, wag nang pilitin, wag nang tigas ulo. Makinig na sa ating mga officials, mga barangay officials like Kagawad John Bachiller. Yan,
Yes.
shout out sa iyo, Lodi.
Shout out sa iyo, John Bachiller, ang napaka-energetic nating kasama dito sa AKB.
Ano pa nga ba? Lodi natin yan, syempre. So yun, while we are waiting sa ating tatanghalin kasurog player of the game, nais nating imbitahan kayo dito pa rin sa Goa Sports Complex. Papupuno na po, punta na po kayo dito para may maupuan pa kayo para sa ating napaka-exciting na second game sa ating Friday doubleheader. Bakbakang Goa versus Iriga. Saan pa kayo? Punta na kayo dito. Suportahan nyo ang inyong home court kasi yung Team Iriga may bit-bit din sila ng kanilang fans para manood dito sa nagbabaga at mainit na painit na Goa Sports Complex. Diba, Coach?
Yes, Coach. Tamang-tama talaga. Pinapantayan ng ating mga matchups. Siyempre, inorganize ng Bicol Cup. Napagandang matchups for this doubleheader. Ang init ng panahon dito.
Yes.
So, siyempre, with the free admissions dito sa Goa Sports Complex, punta na kayo dito.
Punta na kayo dito. At magdala po kayo ng inyong hydration, tubig, at para safety lang tayo. Kasi syempre yung init ngayon, mahirap na para sa mga ating heat stroke. At syempre, bang inaantay yung ating kasurog, player of the game. Yun na nga ng mga highlights ngayon, hatid sa atin ng Seabees Bay Hotel, Hotel Venetia, Hotel St. Ellis, at Seabees Bay. Ayun na. So yan, ang pagtatapos ng bago namin tawagin ang tatanghaling kasurog player of the game. Kami muna po ay magpapaalam ni Coach Mark dito sa first game.
Yes.
Ako po ang inyong naging play-by-play commentator, si Coach Nuki Sabio.
At ako naman ang inyong analyst for this game, si Coach Mark.
Ayun. So, Carmela, sino nga ba ang ating naging kasurog player of the game?
Ayan, thank you so much Coach Nuki and Coach Mark. And right now, kasama ko na ang ating kasurog player of the game. Walang iba kundi si jersey number 24, Kobe Bryant Pableo, scoring 25 points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist, and 4 steals. So ayan, Kobe, ikaw ang ating kasurog player of the game. Congratulations and to your team. So, naipanalo nyo naman ang laro tonight. Ano ba sa pakiramdam na sunod-sunod yung pagkapanalo nyo dito sa ating quarterfinals? And share mo naman how you were able to do that.
Self-training lang muna hanggat wala pang libreng bakante na court. Kanya-kanya muna kaming ensayo sa sarili namin. Tsaka hindi pa tapos ang trabaho, kaya wag muna tayo magsaya. May dapat pang panalunin at may dapat pa tayong talunin. Yun lang.
Ayan, very well said, Kobe. And may gusto ka bang i-shout out o pasalamatan lalong-lalo sa mga supporters mo?
Shoutout sa unang-unang Boss Roger namin, tsaka si Mayor Janoy Berdalosa. Pati kay Boss Mac, condolence sa inyo. Sa asawa ko, si Christine Joy Magat, shoutout sa'yo. Magkikita na rin tayo. Sa mga pinsan ko sa San Andres, shoutout sa inyo. Mga Rebalo family, tsaka Boss Patambay, shoutout sa inyo. Yun lang.
Ayun, thank you, Kobe. And once again, congratulations to you and to your team. That's it, mga kasurog, ang ating best player of the game. Kaya abangan nyo pa ang ating Game 2 dito.